If you ever fantasize about smothering your partner with a pillow because of their snoring, this is for you. Every night, without a fail, the snoring starts, sounding like a chainsaw with asthma. I've tried earphones, sleep apps, white noise, nudging him every 5 minutes, but nothing worked. Then I found these noise-canceling earplugs from Slumberite. Honestly, game changer. Now I sleep through the whole night, he's still snoring, I just don't hear it. No more late night rage, no more sleeping on the sofa, just actual rest. If your partner snores and you want to stay sane, click below, you're welcome.